moving on to another topic for today's lecture, we talk about that binary relation is a subset of Cartesian product of two sets, and there any possibility of how many binary relations could be made from any two sets A and B is there could be total binary relation in set A and B. A cross B is 2 raised to power np, and np are actually number of ordered pairs present in A cross B. So over here in the previous example, A cross B has total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. So in this scenario, total binary relations that can be derived or made from A cross B, this A cross B specifically, are 2 raised to power 6. So moving on towards domain and range of a binary relation, taking the same example of binary relation R1 and the same condition over here, x less than 2 and y equals to b. The domain is actually a set of the first elements of binary relation, and range is the set of all the elements which are at the second place of a binary relation. So in this binary relation R1, the the members which are at the first place are 1, 1. So this constitutes domain, and the members at the second place are A and B, and the set of this A and B is a range of a set R1. So over here domain will be written like this, and range of a binary relation R1 is written like this. Both are sets, so we have used curly brackets. Similarly, binary relation is also set. It is actually a subset of A cross B, so curly brackets are used here as well. Now moving on towards another topic, that is function. What function is? Function is actually derived from a binary relation. First we talked about ordered pairs, then we talked about Cartesian product of two set, which is a set as well. Then we talked about binary relation, which is again a subset of A cross B. Then we talked about domain of binary relation and range of binary relation, and now we are moving on towards function. So function is any binary relation that obeys certain rules or conditions. For example, if you are having a set A having members x, y, z, and B set having members 1, 3, 5, and you are given with a binary relation R1 such that it has these members x1, x5, z1, and z5. If you are going to draw its mapping, the diagram shown here is actually known as mapping of a function. So the first circle is a set of first elements of binary relation R1, which are actually x, y, and z, and another circle is the members of second set being 1, 3, 5. But we are going to map the relation R1 over here. So R1 says you have to pair x with 1 and then the same x with 5. The same is done in this figure, that x is mapped with 1 and x is also mapped with 5. Another ordered pair is z, which is mapped with 1 and which is also mapped with 5. So z is mapped with 1 and z is also mapped with 5. So this is this is actually a representation of a function. So here we will write this R1 because these arrows are showing that the binary relation is being made. And what binary relation is being made? This R1 binary relation is being made. So not all the binary relations are a function. So the given mapping is not a function, but it is a binary relation. Why it is not a function? Because over here if you look, the mapping of 1 and 5 of set B is done, whereas 3 is left out. That is, all the members of set B are not fully used. Only 1 is used in mapping and 5 is used in mapping, because R1 was x1, x5, and z1 and z5. So here domain of a binary relation R1 is not equals to A. Again over here, looking at the domain, what the domain is, over here domain of the binary relation is, over here it is x and z. Domain is the set of first elements. Over here x is used and z is used, y is not used. So we will write this is the domain. Domain of R1 is x and y, whereas range of R1 is range is 1 5 1 5 1 5. So a binary relation is a function if and only if its domain is equals to set A. Over here y is left out, it is not mapped in forget this 3, forget this, it is not we are not considering, we are only considering first set of elements of first set of first elements. So in mapping, first member x is mapped and the last member z is mapped, whereas y is left out. So over here domain of a binary relation R1 is not equals to set A, therefore it is not a function. So always remember, this is the basic condition for any binary relation to be a function. Now take another example. In this mapping, x is mapped with 1, y is mapped with 3, and z is mapped with 1 also and 5 also. So over here, if someone asks that what is the domain of this R2 function, by looking at the diagram you will say, since x is also used, y is also used, and z is also used, this is the domain. And what is the range of this set? 1 is also mapped, 3 is mapped, and 5 is also mapped. So 1 3 5 is the range of this R2. Since domain of R2 is equals to set A, x by z, so this relation R2 is a function. What kind of function it is? It is an onto function. What onto function is? It is a function such that the range of the function is equals to set B. Over here 1 is used, over here 3 is also used, over here 5 is also used. So all the members of the range 1, 3 and 5 are used. Since range of R2 1, 3, 5 is same as RB set 1, 3, 5, so that's why we can say that range of R2 is equals to B. So this is an onto function. This was not a function, this was not a function, this is onto function. Now moving on to another type of function. In this function, look at the mapping. X is mapped with one element 1, y is mapped with one element 3, z is mapped with one element 5. There is no repetition. There is no repetition in the second element, and there is also no repetition in the first element. Since there is no repetition in the first element, there is only single element attached with the first element, there is only single element attached with the first element, and there is single element. So this is 1-1 correspondence. Whenever there is no repetition in the first element, that is only one time each member is used, it is 1-1 correspondence. This onto function, x was used once, y is used once, but z is used twice, one with 1 and one with 5. So there is repetition in domain. There is actually the repetition in this third element. So it is not 1-1 correspondence. Whereas there is no repetition in the first element, it is 1-1 correspondence. Any function can be both onto and 1-1. This is another type which is called onto and 1-1. This example is also an onto function because we said earlier when we talked about it already that onto function is a relation that has its range exactly equals to set B. So over here in this 1-1 correspondence, the range is also equals to B set 1, 3, 5. So this is both an onto function and this is both a 1-1 function. If for example there is another element 6 in B set, 1 3 5 6, and you are mapping it like this. X is mapped with 1. This 1 is known as image of X. It is represented by f of X is equals to 1, f of Y is equals to 3, f of Z is equals to 5. Okay? And the fourth element, which is 6, is left out. It is not mapped. So in this condition, range of the relation R3 is not equals to set B. So this is 1 1, but this is not an onto function because range is not equals to set B. So hope you have understood this topic. So that's for today. Thanks for joining.